Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. It's 3-valve Wednesday, and guess what? Today it's an '06 Explorer, 388,000 miles. I'll tell you what, this truck looks pretty good, but the engine was replaced at one point. It has 60,000 on that. We installed our Stryker Supercharger package. Hey, we're gonna watch a dyno pull. If you haven't, subscribe, notify, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what will our Stryker Supercharger package fit? If you have an 06 to 10 Explorer, Sport Truck, Mountaineer, 4.6 valve, that's what it's designed for. Basically a Mustang blower we convert. Doug, come down here and take a look. We have the E-Force coming in at about 9 pounds of boost. You get 90 millimeter cold air induction system, 41 pound fuel injectors, a fuel pump upgrade. We supply everything in this kit. We install it here at our facility in Indiana. I will put a link in the description so you can click on and read a lot more about it. But I wanted to show you something on this. So this client, hey Doug, come down here. He opted for these coil cover upgrades. This isn't standard. Over here is what it looks like if you put an E-Force on your Mustang or Explorer. You have your valve cover down there, you can see the rail. But a lot of our clients like having the covers on there. Just gives it a little bit nicer look. But this is a great way to add over 150 horsepower to your Explorer, Sport Truck, Mountaineer. Check out this dyno pull. From the factory, these babies are rated at 292 flywheel horsepower. Now we're on our dyno. DynoJet SAE, it's a 224X. These things lay down about at the rear wheels in that 230 range. Check out these numbers. Now this is 91 octane, 385 rear wheel horsepower, 6,200 RPM. Torque comes in 348 at 5,100. I want to take one more look at this. These are awesome numbers. Like I said, you're adding about 150 to, look at this thing. You'd have no idea this baby's laying down that kind of power. And if you wonder, like, what's this cost to get installed, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. We're located in Indiana, but it's a cool build. It's our Stryker. It's an E-Force Supercharger, 9 pounds. We can calibrate this for 91 and up octane. This one right here is 91. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.